All right, everybody, this is the second video that I'm doing today on a Sunday, so you know that this is big, huge, absolutely tremendous news. It's breaking and it just came out. So yeah, it still remains March 15th, 2020. The Federal Reserve just made another tremendous emergency rate cut. We now have a zero federal funds rate. They have cut rates to zero, and they have just announced another $700 billion that they're going to put towards quantitative easing. People, I explained to you that the $1.5 trillion that they just did was the first installment. Well, here we are right now with the second installment. And let me tell you this again. We're not done by a long shot, and I mean a long shot. So now we officially have zero rates. The Federal Reserve, a full percentage point cut. The next step, negative. We're going to get negative rates, and just as I have been explaining to you, you will start paying your banks to keep cash in them. I really do hope you're happy. This is unbelievable. Gold shot up, silver shot up, cryptocurrency shot up, and crude oil shot up on this news. Now we're going to see how the market reacts to this. Stock futures are still, well, actually they're not even registering here. I don't know what stock futures are doing, but I would imagine this. Let's put this into a perspective real quick. Steve Mnuchin promised the markets unlimited liquidity. You got bailouts. Multiple industries are going to be bailed out. We heard about the Fed, $1.5 trillion to buy assets. Now we have zero rates and another $700 billion. If this fails to boost this market, it's time to run for the hills. Run for your life. That's the truth here. The Federal Reserve has just gone where no man or no woman has gone before. Scotty, beam me up. This is incredible. I don't even know what to say. You know what I'm doing? You want to laugh? You want to laugh? I'm going to tell you. I'm sitting here watching The Wizard of Lies. You know, the whole Bernie Madoff story. I'm sitting here just 15 minutes ago. Look at my phone. Boom! Breaking news. And I was like, ugh! I couldn't believe it. I said, I got to come up here and talk about this. But look, all of you who follow my work, I have kept you way ahead of the curve. You knew this was happening. You knew it was coming. And I'm going to tell you right here, we're not done. They are not done. This is the second installment. Let's see, we had $1.5 trillion, now another $700 billion. They had an emergency rate cut 2 weeks ago. We got a massive rate cut to zero today. And the next step is negative. Negative rates are coming. I already told you. In fact, I've been blogging about it. I've been talking about it. They already know they're bringing rates to the negative. It's coming. So believe the president, believe the Fed, believe Greg Mannarino. It's coming. Negative rates are coming for you. And I mean coming for you. So you are going to bail out the banks through the back door. America is done. We are done. This last Friday the 13th, that day should go down in infamy because that was the day capitalism died and freedom died. There's something else going on here, people, and I know you are aware of this, but now we really need to see how the market responds. I explained to you earlier today. I really do not believe that they can possibly print enough cash or add it to a digital screen to prevent what is coming. They are freaking out. I mean, seriously, to do this right now, we have an FOMC, a Federal Open Market Committee meeting. I'm looking at my chart here. This week, we were going to hear the announcement in just a few days. They choose to do it now before the market opened. You think that's a coincidence? We had stock futures pointing towards a 1,000 point drop. Believe me, the president got on the phone and told Mr. Powell, they're playing good cop, bad cop, do something now before the market opened. And that's what we got. But we need to see how this plays out. Again, if this fails, and we're going to find out in short order. I'm going to look again. If nothing going on here. If this fails to boost markets, I mean, the Federal Reserve, forget about firing a bazooka. The Federal Reserve just unleashed a battleship broadside on this market now, and it's just completely out of control. It's completely out of control. If this fails to boost the markets here, all I can say is one word. Are you ready for it? Wow. All right, look, I'm out of here. Please share this video. Love you a lot.